Welcome to Math Magic Concepts. In this session we shall observe patterns in the multiplication table that will help you to remember the tables and also provide shortcuts for faster multiplication. Here is a concise way to represent the multiplication tables up to 10.
I get it. If you want to look for 4 times 5, you look at the row 4, column 5, to get the answer 20. If you want to look for 9 times 6, you look at the row 9, column 6, to get the answer 54.
Yes, that's right. So you have all 10 tables in one table. You must have noticed by now, many of the numbers in the table are easy to remember. Table for 1 is easy as any number multiplied by 1 will give back the number. Table for 2 is just a mental maths of addition, 8 plus 8 gives 16, and 9 plus 9 gives 18, and so on. The table for 5 is easy to remember, as it is just counting in 5s, 5, 10, 15, and so on. Similarly, table for 10 is easy to remember, as it is just counting in 10s. 10, 20, 30, and so on. As we have learnt, exchanging rows with columns and columns with rows will not change the multiplication result. 6 times 3 is 18, and 3 times 6 is also 18. Similarly, 7 times 3 is equal to 3 times 7, which is 21. So if you divide the table diagonally in half, they are mirror images. Then, you are left with just 21 numbers that you must remember. Out of these 21 numbers to remember, 6 are squares. 3 by 3 gives 9. 4 by 4 gives 16. 6 by 6 gives 36. 7 by 7 gives 49. 8 by 8 gives 64. 9 by 9 gives 81. Once you remember squares, you are left with just 16 numbers. These you must remember by memorizing. Here is another interesting pattern. Mark the numbers 1 to 10 in one color. Mark the numbers 12 to 20 in another color. Similarly, mark others well. As you can see, it forms an arrow pattern, where the outer layer of the arrow has smaller numbers compared to the inner layers. There is another unique pattern which is very specific to multiplication table 9. The result always starts with the number, that is 1 less than the multiplier. That means, 9 3s starts with 2, 9 4s starts with 3, 9 5s starts with 4, and so on. Also, when you add the two digits of the resulting number, all of them add up to 9. Other unique pattern on the multiplication grid is plus. In the marked plus pattern, sum of numbers across the vertical line is equal to sum of numbers on horizontal lines.
That is, 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 8, which is equal to 18.
Yes, and this behavior holds good wherever you draw the plus sign on the multiplication grid.
Wow! So if I draw plus from 7 to 21, and 12 to 16, sum of vertical numbers 7 plus 14 plus 2 1 is equal to 12 plus 1 4 plus 16, which is 42.
That's right. Hope this has given you sufficient familiarity with the multiplication grid, and memorizing all the tables should be easy.